Hi guys, Nazir with Project 3 for Java 1 1409. This week we're working with advanced views. So for my app I have two custom classes, one with all the logic, and I have the second one which is a class that creates a custom object which sets the site name, the site URL, and the site image. And I have all the setters and getter methods down here. In my main class, I define a static tag for my logs, and I create an object array based on the site's custom class. And I also create 3 final strings as keys for the hash maps. So down here, I instantiate my object array and add 6 different sites to it with the name, URL, and the logo for each site. And then I call this method, which is set simple adapter. Coming down here, when this method is invoked, it creates a hash map array list and then goes through this for loop that loops through the object array and adds the objects along with their keys to the hash map. And then also creates an array of keys and it creates an array of list item components. And then here we create a simple array and pass to it the hash map array along with the list layout view, layout, keys, and views. Right below it I check the orientation. So if it's a portrait, it goes down to this code where it creates a spinner and sets the adapter to that spinner. And on item selected listener, I call this custom method called display detail that takes in the adapter view and the eye to pass in the position. Now, if it's in landscape view, it skips that code up here and it creates a list view instead, sets the adapter to that list view, and then calls that same method when an item is clicked. So when an item clicked, goes down to display detail method, which populates the details section. It creates an object here based on the position that was clicked, and then creates a text view and links it to the site name, updates the text of that site name based on the site object, and then changes the connection of the text view to the site URL, updates the URL text based on the site object again, and then here creates an image view, links it to the site logo, updates the resource image based on the site object. I have right here, so when it's in portrait view, I have a spinner. When I click, it opens up with the logo, name, and URL on each cell. Scroll up and down. Now if I click on the gadget, I actually update the site name, the URL, and it gives me a bigger icon for that logo. If I switch, if I change the orientation, that spinner changes to list view here. And if I click on any of these items, it updates again the site name, URL, and it gives a bigger view of that icon. And so that's pretty much it for this week. I'll see you guys next week.